Yak, y'all. What's poppin'?
Welcome everybody to my channel. I go by the name of Esquatch. I am your size 15 sneaker enthusiast, and on my channel, I review shoes for people that wear a size 15. So if this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells, and enjoy the ride. We are in the season of basketball, so I am reviewing another basketball shoe, and yes, this is one of my favorite shoes. And today we are reviewing I present to you Ja Chinese New Year. Now, the Chinese New Year is the festival that celebrates the beginning of a new year on a traditional lunar solar Chinese calendar. And it really doesn't start until February 10th, 2024, I think it is. But right now we have a pair of Jordan lows that come out. It's a few things that's coming out this year that's the Chinese New Year coming out like with this month. This in before the actual Chinese New Year. But here we go. Right now we have the Ja in the Aqua Glacier Blue. We have the Glacier Arctic Blue. We have the metallic gold. We have it on the gold on the swoosh. We have it on the back of the shoe on the heel. We also have the number 12, Ja's number. We have it here in the Glacier on the here, but on this one we have it in the red. Have it there. There it is. Blue here and red there. Of course, you know, we got Ja's logo right here on the bottom. Look at all that traction. You got his signature, you know, his handwriting is actually stitched into the shoe. Right here we got the Glacier Blue here on the tongue, and this right here, the Glacier is because it's red here, and it actually matches the 12 on that side on the tongue. We have it here with the blue. Got the blue right there. And of course, you know that matches the blue on that side. Yeah, see it right there? But yeah, man, it's a nice shoe. We have the dragon right here. We got some metallic gold points right here. The gold here, the gold hits, and the Arctic Blue, man. This is a nice shoe, man. Want to get y'all on foot. I just want to let y'all know, man. Like I said, I think, yeah, Ja just got hurt, man. He had a labrum tear, which is in your shoulder. So he's going to be out for, he had to have surgery. So he definitely is. He's out for the season, bro. So we're going to have to see what Memphis does without that boy. I mean, they did fairly well without him when he was out for the 25 games. But they're going to miss him, man, because he came back, man. That man started balling as soon as he got back. Get y'all some on foot with these here. Here we have it. The Ja the Chinese New Year. Once again, my name is Esquatch, your size 15 sneaker enthusiast. And welcome to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, thank you so much. I appreciate your time. Thank you for staying through the whole video. Go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, let everybody know that you're here. And if you or someone you know wears a size 15 and they get tired of people not really reviewing size 15 shoe, come check me out. Come check out the Soul Pursuit, man. That's what we do. We try to find deals in the size 15. For some reason, size 15 shoe is the first one to go. And until next time, peace.
All you got to do is follow me.